Bismillah, Assalamualaikum. Hi, how is it going? I'm Rani. Welcome back to my channel, English Teacher Syllabus. Nice to meet you. In this series, we are going to learn some easy ways to ask and answer common questions in English. Hai, bagaimana kabar semuanya? Senang sekali bisa buat materi baru lagi. Kita belajar bahasa Inggris tentang bagaimana menanyakan dan merespon pertanyaan-pertanyaan yang umum atau sehari-hari dalam bahasa Inggris, and I believe it's really useful. In this lesson, you are going to learn, or we are going to learn new, more common ways to ask and answer the questions. How are you? In English. Pelajaran kita kali ini, kita akan belajar hal baru lebih banyak. Cara paling umum untuk menjawab dari pertanyaan how are you? You've probably learned how are you and I'm fine. But in United States, people will usually ask this question and answer it in a different way. First, let's first review. If someone says how are you, you can say I'm fine. Here are some other ways to answer. Pretty good. How are you? Pretty good. This means about the same thing as I'm fine. Respons lain selain I'm fine adalah pretty good. Pretty good. We also have not bad. You can use this if you are feeling just okay or so-so. Jadi respon not bad saat perasaan kita sedang baik-baik saja seperti biasanya. Jadi tidak terlalu senang-senang sekali, tapi juga tidak sedih berlebihan dan juga tidak sedang sakit. Artinya ya lumayan seperti hari-hari biasanya. But now let's look at some different ways to ask how someone is. These ways are more casual and much more common. Nah, mari kita lihat penggunaan yang beda bagaimana menanyakan kabar seseorang. Ini lebih casual, lebih nyantai, dan lebih akrab kedengarannya. Hey, how is it going? Hey, how is it going? If you're feeling good, you can say good, pretty good, not bad. Good, pretty good, not bad. Here's a tip. Even though this answer mean the same thing as I'm fine, you cannot answer how is it going with I'm fine. It will sound a bit strange. Perlu diingat ya, meskipun respons-respons yang saya sebutkan tadi artinya sama dengan I'm fine, tapi setidaknya sebaiknya tidak dipakai untuk merespons dari pertanyaan how is it going dengan menjawab I'm fine. Hal tersebut akan dengar sedikit aneh. Next, if you are not feeling good, you can say not so good, not great, or not so well. If you are not feeling good, just say not so good, not great, or not so well. Be careful. If you say one of these, the other person will usually ask, why? What's wrong? To be polite. Then you will have to explain. Jadi, hati-hati ya. Jika mengatakan kalimat tersebut, kamu harus siap-siap mendengar pertanyaan selanjutnya. Kenapa? Why? What's wrong? Jadi jawablah pertanyaan tersebut agar terkesan lebih sopan. Jangan mengabaikannya atau jangan diabaikan begitu saja tanpa menjawab apapun. Ingat ya. Another casual but very common question of how are you is what's up? What's up? What's up? Kata WhatsApp lebih santai dan terkesan lebih akrab. To reply, use a cheerful voice as you say, not much, or nothing much. This means you're free and able to chat. Since WhatsApp is just another way of saying hello. You can also reply with hello or hi. Namun demikian, WhatsApp, kata WhatsApp adalah cara lain untuk mengatakan kata hello, hi. Nah, maka meresponsnya juga adalah dengan kata hello or hi. Now it's time for ETC syllabus advice. A lot of the time when the people ask question that mean how are you in English, they're not actually asking about the other person's health, but only asking to be polite. You should think of these questions as another ways of saying hello, a way for the conversation to get started instead of actual literal questions. In fact, when someone asks you what's up, you don't even have to answer. Just say what's up in reply. Jadi sekedar saran jika teman atau seseorang bilang ke kita what's up, tidak serta-merta kok dijawab pertanyaan tersebut dengan kata not much, nothing much, I'm good, pretty good. Jadi nggak perlu. Jadi tetap bilang WhatsApp untuk menjawabnya. Okay, in this lesson you're going to learn how to ask what someone's job is in natural English. Of course, you can just say, what is your job? This is correct English, but it sounds too direct and awkward. Native English speakers almost never say this in a social situation. Instead, they use a different question. Pelajaran selanjutnya adalah bagaimana menanyakan pekerjaan seseorang secara alami dalam bahasa Inggris. Kita bisa saja mengatakan, what is your job? Dan ini boleh-boleh saja, sah-sah saja. Namun kedengarannya to the point dan sedikit kaku. Nah, kalau menurut video Alisa yang saya tonton,
seorang guru bahasa Inggris dari Amerika mengatakan bahwa bahasa native atau bule hampir tidak pernah mengatakan kalimat tersebut. Namun mereka akan menanyakan tentang pekerjaan dengan kalimat yang berbeda. What do you do? What do you do? When native speaker of English ask this question, it can come out very fast and sound more like what do you do? What do you do? What do you do? So how would you answer these questions? Just think of it as if the other person is asking you, what is your job? You could answer with I am plus your job. For example, I am a teacher, or I am a student. I am a teacher, or I am a student. Jadi, biasanya native speakers mengatakan dengan bunyi yang lebih cepat, ya. What do you do? Ini adalah kalimat yang menanyakan apa pekerjaanmu. Nah, kita menjawabnya dengan kalimat I am, I am, I am. Kemudian sebutkan pekerjaan dalam bahasa Inggris. I am a teacher or I am a student. You can also mention the place that you work at. Jadi, kita bisa menyebutkan tempat di mana kita bekerja. For example, saya bekerja di sekolah atau saya bekerja di rumah sakit. I work at a school or I work at a hospital. I work at a school. I work at a hospital. If you work for a big company that is well known, you can say I work for and then name. For example, I work for Telkomsel or I work for Microsoft. I work for Telkomsel. I work for Microsoft. Jadi jika kalian bekerja di big company, di perusahaan besar yang terkenal, bilang saja saya bekerja di Telkomsel, saya bekerja di Microsoft. I work for Telkomsel. I work for Microsoft. Simple. Now it's time for ETC advice. When you ask the question, what do you do? What do you do? What do you do? And the other person tells you their job, it's polite to make kind of positive comment about his or her job. For example, how interesting, or that must be exciting, or even oh really. Remember to sound sincere. Jadi jika seseorang bertanya what do you do, bertanya tentang pekerjaan, jawablah dengan polite, dengan komentar yang positif tentang pekerjaannya, dengan cara how interesting, oh really, exciting, lebih tertarik dengan pekerjaan yang ia sebutkan. Oke?